Look, I made Pablo a reflective jacket so that if he goes outside in the dark, everyone can see him. And it's got lots of stretch in it. Look, he can climb and everything. I based it on a harness that he used to wear when we took him for walks around the garden. And he seems to be pretty happy, don't you? Hey, look at you. Look. What's that? Oh, what's the matter, Bean? You're all right. Stop pretending to be a drama queen for the camera. You were running around perfectly fine a minute ago. Look, Daddy's going to get you some food. Come on. Oh. There's a good boy. You going to go and get some food? Are you going to go and get some food? Hey? What? Oh, big stretch. Yeah. You're not bothered at all, are you? You're not bothered at all. Sticky boy. Sticky boy. Say goodbye now.